Our Derma Roller Kit comes with 2 items, our vitamin C serum and our Derma Roller. Our vitamin C serum helps to brighten and hydrate your skin without making it feel oily. Our Derma Roller, on the other hand, helps prevent signs of aging, like dark spots, acne scars, fine lines and wrinkles, and even stretch marks. Our Derma Roller helps break up old collagen so new collagen can form. The microneedling of your skin also helps puncture your skin so products that fall can penetrate deeper into your skin. So there are a few disclaimers when you are using a Derma Roller. You want to make sure to not go over the same spot twice, so just go once and then move on. You also want to make sure not to go over active blemishes, as some acne is formed by bacteria. And if you go over acne, then you're potentially spreading that bacteria to other parts of your face. So you also may notice that your skin may appear red after. That is because you're puncturing your skin with this microneedle. So that is nothing to worry about. Although you are using this microneedle, you want to make sure not to use too much pressure. You can just lightly go over your face.